Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Kia Sportage EX. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, you do get a nice little backup camera, nice little roof spoiler with roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, and moving to the front, we got this nice all-wheel drive logo. We do get those nice looking headlights and that nice Kia grille. Taking a look in the back here, you do get quite a bit of cargo space. You do get quite a bit of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get a light back here so you can see. We do get storage underneath as well with different storage compartments. You got your tire key, ball for your spare tire, and you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, carpeted interior. You do get a 12-volt back here with rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Got your lights and lane centering all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 42,785 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle-free screen and cruise control, volume, mute, voice, phone, mode, all right there. The nice little Kia logo right there. And looking here at our main screen here, we do have our system, acceleration warning, basically all your warnings, user settings, and all these other things as well. And looking to my right, we have our drive modes, which do include normal, eco, and sport. Looking over here, you have your hill, park, and brake, auto hold, all-wheel drive lock right there with cup holders. You got storage there. More storage here with a wireless charging pen. You can turn it on and off. 2 12 volts USB, heated front seats with that nice heated steering wheel. Oh, there we go. Engine start, you got your media controls right there, hazards, climate controls conveniently right there as well. And we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, you have your media, Bluetooth. We're going to go into all menu, which has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Quick Guide, voice memos, radio, my menu, which has AM, FM, all that jazz. You can put whatever you want in there. Apps or anything else you will find in here. Setups, such as your phone, display, clock, language, date and time, screensaver, so you can pick your own screensaver. You got none, digital or analog clock, if you want that old stuff for you. Languages, advanced, and all that fun stuff. And, oh, you even get a little keyboard here as well, which is pretty nice. And you can shift it into reverse, and you do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35054C, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.